Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So if your linen closet looks like mine, a tornado with mixed match bed sheets and comforters, I found these SpaceAid sheet organizers. They are absolutely perfect for separating and organizing the linens. So it gives you the instructions, very easy to follow. So I laid it out. I took my very square fitted sheet. If you want to know how to fold that nice, that's another video. And I took my flat sheet. This is a king size sheet set. And my pillow covers. And then you just fold it over from side to side. It has a zipper on this section, so you just connect the zipper and zip it closed. And then you take up one side, Velcro it up, make it nice and square. The other side, Velcro it up, and it's nice and organized, easy to get to. It has a clear window, so you can see what's in there. And it comes with these little tags, so you can name it, so you know what's in there. I have my king gray sheets. So I also use these for other things. I have comforters. This is a beautiful quilted comforter. It's large. It's a king size. So I have that stored in there. And I also put some holiday linens in there to store that. Now you can put them in your linen closet, stack upright, or you can lay them on top of each other. They're strong enough to hold each other up. So now I have a nice organized linen closet. What also is nice is when you're not using them, or you have extras, folds up flat, so they're easy to store in there as well. Nice sturdy material, very strong, holds up well. These organizers make the madness manageable, and I love them.